Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Apple Pay on Mac. First thing first, on your Mac, go to System Preferences. Click Wallet and Apple Pay. Now press Add Card and position your card in front of the iSight camera to scan it or enter the details manually. Now click Next to confirm the card number and enter the expiration date and 3-digit security code. Then click Next again. Review and click Accept for your card's terms and conditions and choose a verification method like text, email or bank app. Enter the verification code sent to you, then click Next. Now your card will be added to Apple Pay. If approval takes longer, your bank may notify you with extra steps. Just a tip, you can change or delete cards anytime in System Preferences, Wallet and Apple Pay. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.